Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to increase volume without button on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to increase volume without using buttons can be useful in situations where the physical buttons are damaged, inaccessible, or if you want to control the volume discreetly, like during a meeting or while listening to music in a quiet environment. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, enter to the settings on your device. Well, after that you have to scroll down and then you can select special function. Okay, so here, scroll a little bit and tap on accessibility menu. Well, so in this page, select the first option. After that, activate it like this. And then click allow. Okay, so now simply tap this button and you have all ready to increase the volume here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to increase volume without button on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.